Hi, my name is Juan Martinez. I am a data analyst, and in this video, we are going to solve some easy SQL problems. Okay, we are going to create some queries on SQL on the SQL/practice.com or SQL-practice.com. So this is a website where we can practice our SQL skills. So let's get started. Okay. You can do the following like me. This is a walkthrough. So we are going to see here, if you enter the website, also I'm going to post the link in the description down below. But here we can see, okay, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and we can press start to start making the query. So we can see here what is being requested for us or to us. We have to show the first name, the last name, and the gender of patients whose gender is M. Okay, so here we have a database which is about patients in a hospital. So it's a database from a hospital, from a fictitious hospital. So we have here our information about the table and the different columns. We have table patient ID, first name, last name, gender, birth date, city, province ID, allergies, height, and weight. And we also have hints of the expected output. Maybe you can see it here, maybe you don't. Okay, I'm just going to place myself on the side, and here you can see what is expected from us on the query. Also, we can get some hints. For example, if we press the get hint button, we can see down here the keywords. So the keywords are select and where. Okay, so we need first to understand the problem, and we also need to know the columns and what is expected from us to query. Okay, so we have to show the first name. So we begin by using the select statement, and we have to find where the first name is located. So if we take a look at the columns, we can see first name. Okay, we see that it's text or a string, and so we can just choose that, select first name. Also, they want us to show the last name. So we can see here on the patients table that we have a last name column. So we are going to also query that, select last name, and we need to select or show the gender of patients whose gender is M. Okay, we think M could be referring to masculine. So I'm going to take a look at the table if there is something related to gender, and I can see here that I have a gender column, which is char of 1, which means there are only one line of text or one character. So I can just query that by also selecting gender, and I'm going to do it like format it a little bit nicer. Okay, we have our columns, but the problem statement says that only the patients whose gender is M. So for that, we have to make a filter. So for a filter, we have to use the where clause, and we have to specify the filter. Okay, what we are filtering. We are filtering gender, and it has to be M. Okay, so we are saying select all these columns, first name, last name, and gender, where the column gender or the value inside the column gender equals to M. It could be masculine, I don't know. So now we have to close our query, and you can click on run, or you can just use the control or command plus enter keys on your keyboard. And here we are seeing that we have a problem. What's the problem? Okay, the problem is that I didn't select the table. I didn't select the database or the table to extract these columns from. So to solve that, we have to use the from clause. So after we select our columns, we have to say from, and we are choosing our table. In this case, it seems that the table name is patients. Okay, we have here from patients, and also a tooltip is showing us here that indeed patients is the name of the table. So I'm just going to do that and click run again, and indeed we have what we wanted to have, and here it says you got the query correct. So also don't forget to use the clauses. Don't forget to use from and where in this case, and also here they show you their solution or the web page solution. So indeed we have the same, but there are instances where we can have different solutions for the same problem. So we can see here the results, and everything is totally correct. So that's our first query, and leave in the comments down below if you find this useful. Was it hard or easy? And in following videos we are going to solve more SQL problems, easy, intermediate, and advanced SQL problems. So don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.